Let me ask you a question that might save your business this year. If your biggest client didn't pay you today, or if your payroll account hits zero tomorrow morning, could you turn this plastic into cash in 24 hours legally? Look, most business owners look at a $50,000 credit card limit, and guess what? They feel rich. But when they try to pay a contractor or a lease that doesn't accept credit cards, they realize that they're actually broke. They don't know the difference between spending power and liquid cash. And that ignorance is exactly what keeps small businesses super small. In this video, I'm going to show you the liquidation secrets of 2026. I'm going to teach you the exact system on how to extract cash from your business credit lines without triggering a cash advance fee or without getting your accounts flagged with the banks. Look, if you're ready to learn how to access money on your terms, I need you guys to type ready in the chat below. And look, let's go ahead and go to work and get this money. All right, what's going on, everyone? It's Money Marv here. Gloria and I have helped thousands of business owners raise capital, build massive credit profiles, and start new businesses using strategies that we teach on this channel. Now, before I dive into specific methods, I need you to understand something. Look, the game has changed in 2026. Look, banks are using AI to track your spending habits. If you try the old manufactured spending tricks from 2020, you probably gonna get flagged or either your account will get closed. Today, I'm gonna give you the updated blueprint. If you wanna stay ahead of the banks, I need you guys to do me a favor. Look, smash that like button right now. It helps the algorithm show this to more entrepreneurs who actually need funding. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We drop gems like this every single week. So first, we need to define liquidation. When most people use a credit card, guess what they're doing? They're buying a liability. They're buying dinner, a depreciating asset, or maybe gas or charging their car or something. But guess what? That money is gone. Liquidation means we are extracting the value of the credit limit and moving it into a liquid position, meaning cash in the bank. And why do you need to do this? You might need to pay a vendor who doesn't accept credit cards. You might need to make a cash down payment on some real estate or investment property. You might need payroll reserves, but let me give you a warning. Do not use these methods to buy a Lamborghini or go on vacation, okay? This is how you ruin your business. We use these methods to buy assets that pay us back and make us money every month. And look, if you're with me and you promise to use this for growth, not lifestyle, look, type growth in the comments, guys. I want you guys to grow your businesses, not ruin your business. The first method is what I call the expense shift. This is the safest, cleanest way to liquidate your credit card in 2026. So let me give you a scenario. You got $10,000 in cash in your business checking account and you have $10,000 in bills. You owe some rent, contractors, maybe some suppliers. Normally you would use your cash to pay the bills, right? Now you have zero cash and that's dangerous. Look, instead use third-party payment processors, services like Melio, Plastique, or even PayPal Bill Pay. Allow you to pay vendors who only accept checks or ACH using a business credit card. Now let me give you the play. I need y'all to write this down. You load your business credit card into the platform. You tell the platform to pay your landlord or your contractor. The platform charges your card a small fee, usually 2.9%. They send a check or a direct deposit to the vendor. Here's the result. Your bills are paid, your $10,000 in cash stays in your bank account. Following these steps, you have liquidated the credit line into cash. All right, is there a fee? Yes, but ask yourself, is it worth paying 2.9% to keep $10,000 in cash on hand for an emergency or maybe for an opportunity? Look, the answer is absolutely. You know, that's the cost of doing business, paying 2.9%. All right, let's jump into method number 2. This is called the inventory flip. This is where you just don't liquidate, you actually make a profit. Banks love to see you spending money at legitimate merchants. They hate seeing you pull cash out at an ATM. Remember the Chase glitch? Look, if you need cash, find a high demand, high liquidity item that you could buy with a credit card and sell immediately. Here's an example. Let's say you find a supplier for electronic equipment or even gift cards for major retailers. Be careful with gift cards. Keep the volume low because they will flag your card immediately. All right, look, you buy $5,000 worth of inventory on your 0% APR business credit card. You sell that inventory for $5,000 or even $4,800 to a buyer immediately. Look, the cash goes into your bank account. You now have the cash. You have 30 days or 12 months if it's 0% interest to pay that card back. Now you've created an interest-free loan for yourself. Now here's a pro tip for 2026. Just don't go out buying random things. Make sure it aligns with your business merchant category code if possible. Look, if you're a consulting company buying $20,000 worth of lumber, the bank's AI might flag that. Keep it logical. Keep it according to what you told them you do, as a business. I need you guys to lean in for this one. This is advanced. This is method number 3, the strategic overpayment. Now, let me give you a disclaimer right now. You have to check your specific cardholder agreements for this. And here's how it works. You have a credit card with a 0 balance. You make a payment to that card from a different source, all right? Or you do a balance transfer that pushes the balance into the negative. Let's say you accidentally overpay by $3,000. Your account now says negative $3,000. You call the bank and say, hey, y'all, I made a mistake. I overpaid my account. Can you refund the credit balance to my business checking account? Most major banks will cut you a check or ACH you to refund. Now think about this. Why is this powerful? You just move money from a balance transfer or another source straight into cash. Are y'all getting this? Are y'all picking up what I'm putting down? Now here's the risk. If you do this every month, guess what they're gonna do? They're gonna shut you down because it looks like money laundering. Do this rarely and only when necessary. Look, if you are loving these secrets, share this video right now with another business owner who's struggling with cash flow. Don't gatekeep this info, guys. Let's share this and let's help other business owners in 2026. Now, I want to pause. I've given you 3 powerful methods, but none of this works if you don't have the credit profile to get approved for these high limits in the first place. You can't liquidate a $500 card. You need the $25,000 or the $50,000 cards. If you're ready to stop playing small and start getting those luxury limits, look, guys, type ready in the chat one more time because I want to know who's actually paying attention, because this is 2026, and believe it or not, save this video because it might save you this year. But before we wrap up, here are the rules of engagement for 2026 so you don't crash out. All right, don't cycle your limits. If you have a $10,000 limit, don't spend $10,000 to pay it off and spend $10,000 again 3 times in a month. That is called credit cycling, and it screams high risk. All right, now next, avoid the P2P or peer-to-peer too often. Don't just Venmo yourself $5,000 with a credit card. Venmo and PayPal report to the IRS, and banks watch those transactions like hawks. Trust me, my account gets flagged all the time for legitimate purposes. Always have an invoice or a legitimate business reason. Keep your ratios low. Even if you liquidate, try not to max out the card 100%. Make sure you keep it under 30 to 50% utilization if you want to keep your scores high for the next round of funding. And listen, turning credit into cash is a superpower, but building a credit profile is the foundation of everything. If you're a business owner and you want Gloria and I to look at your specific situation, maybe you need to structure your business correctly, or you want to know which lenders are giving out the big bags in 2026. Guys, we can help you with this. It's a link in the description below. If you have a 700 credit score, remember what I just said. If you have a 700 credit score, I'm going to give you a free business strategy call. If you need credit repair, we may have to work something else out where we'll show you how to fix your credit with our AI software. We'll map out a custom blueprint for you. And remember, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I want you guys to think about this. If you need a credit union that approves $100,000 in personal loans, check out this next video.